Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve with Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. I'm currently at Point Lookout, New York, and I'm going to the deep sea fishing. Today we are targeting sea bass and fluke. The weather is nice, and I will update you when I get to the fishing spot. I caught some sea bass during this trip. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called sweet and sour sea bass. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's start preparing fish. First, remove the scale, and then open the belly and remove the gut. Cut the fish into half. Fillet the fish to the tail. Make sure the tail part is attached. Remove the bone at this time. Slice the fillet with the tail part attached. Trim the tail to a fork shape. Add ginger scallion and the cooking wine to the bowl and squeeze the ginger scallion for the juice. A teaspoon salt and pepper and marinate the fish with ginger scallion juice. After 20 minutes marination, and dry the fish with a paper towel. Coat the fish with cornstarch. Shape the fish in a wok or cooking pan. Pour hot oil to the fish and keep frying the fish until it's golden brown. Prepare 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Add 2 tablespoons sugar and 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon. Cook the sauce until it's fully condensed. Finally, add a tablespoon cooking oil. This is sweet and sour sea bass tail. If you like this video, please give me some up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.